there's one thing you could change about this world, what would it be? Me too! Help. Help. Feliz cumpleaños. This is how you say help in Spanish. Next. Do you think I'm pretty?
Woo!
Oh, that was kind of rude.
If you love me.
Guys, I was getting stuff at Goodwill, and he throws a freaking, probably a book. He says it was a blanket, but
It was a blanket.
I swear it was a book. It hit me so hard. Happy birthday, Kendall.
Yeah, she's table in the back, wearing a green jacket.
Hey, I was in your vlog. You were.
Yeah, just come arrested, thanks, man.
That was so rude. Guys, I'm literally eating the biggest beef bag today. Someone get my boyfriend.
Where is
because
he?
I don't know where he went.
Where is he?
This is not my boyfriend. Hi world, this is my boyfriend. A snap or I've been caught. Right there. Yeah, yeah.
That's me.
Yeah. Next I have my money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $700 bills. What can I say? I'm rich. Do you hear that? That's the sound if I don't speak, bro. Feliz Navidad!
My Christmas too.
Thank you. Thank you. And then I started talking in another video and he just cut the video off as soon as I started
But to
talking.
be fair, it was from like 100 yards away and it hit her right on the head. That was a good shot.
Oh, I forget you have a... Josh back. Thank you. This is the best way to watch TV that's behind you. I'm watching the TV that's behind me. See, he's about to. Oh, they're about to hit. No, oh, there he goes. There he goes. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. In case you were wondering, the answer to your question is yes, as always. I'm sorry I didn't post a video last week or on Sunday. It's Tuesday now. Maybe probably when I post it eventually. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Also, if you've made it this far, then I just want you to know that Just Peck is scooting his baby. That's not actually what I wanted you to know. What I wanted you to know is that every person who comments on this will be entered for a drawing for something really secret and super special and really cool. Yeah, so comment and tell your friends to comment, and yeah. Okay, bye again. Thank you so much for making fun of me, probably.